When our clients come to us in May and June and say, hey, we want to do a big deck project this summer because it stopped raining now and we're finally into the sunny summertime, I look at them and I say, well, we've got about 2 or 3 months of design work to do. And by then it's going to be September. So you've just missed this construction season. So the best time to get going on a big project is actually in the dark November, December, and January. And here's why. One, like I just said, it takes us time to figure out that repair plan and put together plans and specs. But two, the contractors at that time are kind of shut down because it's too rainy, it's too cold, maybe there's snow on the ground, and they're looking to keep their crews busy for this next season that comes up. So their pencils are sharp, they are looking for work, they will put you first on that schedule come, the sunny months of May, and you'll get going. You'll be first out of the gate instead of, last out of the gate or even missing that season. All these things take time, and the winter time is the best time to do it. So call us today. The consult is free. We can talk to you about your program plan and then get going on that.